Qualcomm has finally confirmed the date for its biggest mobile chip event of the year, and this is where things get really interesting. The Snapdragon Summit 2026 will happen from September 22nd to September 24th in Hawaii. This is the event where Qualcomm normally shows its newest flagship processor, and every major Android phone brand pays close attention. But this year, Qualcomm may be doing something very different. Instead of launching just one flagship chip, the company is expected to launch two. The first one is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. The second is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro. If these leaks are true, this could be one of Qualcomm's biggest changes in years. Both chips are expected to be made using TSMC's new 2nm process. Now, don't worry about the technical name. What this simply means is that these chips should be faster while also using less battery power. That means better gaming, smoother apps, and longer battery life. The standard Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 is already looking very powerful. It is expected to come with Qualcomm's latest Oryon CPU design and a new Adreno 845 graphics chip. So if you enjoy gaming, video editing, or using AI features on your phone, this chip should have more than enough power. But the real star of the show is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro. According to the latest leaks, Qualcomm is giving this version an even stronger Adreno 850 GPU. This graphics chip is expected to handle games much better and deliver higher performance than the previous generation. Another big upgrade is memory support. The Pro version is expected to support the brand new LPDDR6 memory, while still working with LPDDR5X. This means phones using this chip could load apps faster, switch between apps more smoothly, and improve overall performance. Now, let's talk about the biggest surprise. Reports say the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro could reach a clock speed of up to 5 GHz. That is a huge number for a smartphone processor. If it really happens, this would be the first phone chip ever to hit the 5 GHz mark. That sounds exciting, but it also creates another problem. More speed usually means more heat. When a processor gets too hot, it slows itself down to protect the phone. This is called thermal throttling, and nobody likes it because performance drops during gaming or heavy tasks. Qualcomm seems to have a solution. The company is expected to use something called heat pass block technology. Again, let's keep it simple. Think of it like adding a better cooling system directly on top of the processor. It helps move heat away much faster, so the chip can stay cool and keep running at high speed for a longer time. If this works as expected, gamers and power users could enjoy much more stable performance without the phone getting too hot too quickly. Looking at everything we know so far, Qualcomm is clearly aiming to push smartphone performance to another level. The standard Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 already looks like a powerful flagship chip, but the Pro version could become the most powerful smartphone processor Qualcomm has ever made. Of course, these details are still based on leaks, so we should wait for Qualcomm's official announcement at the Snapdragon Summit in September. Until then, we can expect more benchmark results, more leaks, and probably even more surprises before the launch event. If you missed my previous video, make sure you check it out because I covered another exciting update you don't want to miss. It will give you even more details about what's happening in the smartphone world right now. And if you enjoy simple tech videos without confusing words, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a like if you're excited about the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 and the new Gen 6 Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.